Some pumpkin soup? You want some pumpkin soup? Mmm. Another bite? Want another bite? Not so much, huh? Want another bite? You had the shivers. Oh, had the shivers. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. We got a big mouthful there. Oh, good job. Good job. All right. Good job. It's lots of pumpkin soup, huh? You like that? Ooh. Another bite? One more bite? Kind of missed, huh? You kind of missed. Good job. What do you think of the pumpkin soup? Is it nummies? What do you think? What do you think about it? More bite? One more bite? No? Yes? What do you think? Oh, yeah. Done? All done? No more? Okay, good job. You ate a lot of pumpkin soup.